If it's 0-3, I will absolutely cry. No, Marner! Marner! Come on, thanks for the puck, bro. To the other end. Wow, okay, they're doing a lot better this period than the other team is. Come on, Leafs, what are you doing? Tavares did pretty good. Yo, Max, what's a song that you like?
Does it have to be a song you know?
Yeah.
Jazzy Juice.
Okay. Wait, did you hear that?
Hear what?
Max? Did you hear me playing the kazoo?
Yeah.
Did it sound like Jazzy Juice?
Yeah.
Bro, why did you grab the puck?
He was cutting off. Like I was just like, ah, ah.
Can we try coming this time?
I think my kazoo is gone forever. Isn't Among Us already out?
Yeah, but they released the trailer for it. It's so cool.
There is? Wait, do you want to see something, do you want to see,
Come on, Marner. No!
Do you want to see
What?
something cooler than, the Among Us thing? I just stood here doing nothing for 2 minutes. Wow.
Balls, please, Tavares. Oh my goodness, that was close. I don't suck at hockey, you know?
Huh? No, I'm
You've
talking
never
about,
seen me play.
I'm not talking about you. I'm just talking about
okay.
people. You're not a person. You have no emotions.
What? Yes, let's go. Oh. Oh man. No. This is 10 seconds late, so I'd hear my dad scream 10 seconds before I see it happen. No. Yes. No. No. Oh. Icing. Man. Oh, no, it's not icing. Okay. Max, watch the hockey game.
Why?
No! Whoa! No! That was so close! Okay, I may as well watch it on YouTube instead, because it's a second earlier. So. Holy. You know, I'm just gonna go downstairs and watch it, because, yeah, that's cooler.
Oh. Okay.
Bye.
There we go. I don't know how I filled those two parts before. That part, like, I don't know, I filled that part twice when it's like the easiest part of this. Yeah. Maybe that's why I should be careful. Ah. Why am I so garbage at flicking? I should know. Ooh, this leg. God, why am I lagging? Uh. God. God, okay, hold on. I left. I gone. Okay, close. Close. There we go. There we go. Oh. Why I'm so short? What the hell? Oh, there we go.